Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RishitInspiringKids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. Please watch the video to end, hit the like button, please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is, our sir teaches mathematics dash English. Across, besides, beside. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is besides. Besides means in addition to. This is the correct option because it indicates that English is another subject taught in addition to mathematics. Your next question is, please come dash the bathroom. Out of, over, in. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is out of. In this sentence, the phrase out of is used to indicate movement from inside a specific place to the outside. Your next question. Please don't laugh dash those beggars. For, from, at. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is at. The sentence please don't laugh dash those beggars implies a request to refrain from a different from a disrespectful action directed towards the beggars. Laughing at someone implies ridicule, which is negative action, and the sentence seeks to prevent. Your next question is, what type of noun cannot be perceived by the senses? Abstract, common, collective. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is abstract. Abstract nouns are type of nouns that cannot be perceived by the senses. They refer to ideas, concepts, emotions, and qualities that cannot be physically seen, heard, smelled, tasted, or touched. Examples of abstract noun include love, ambition, and liberty. Your next question is, what type of noun is information? Countable noun, uncountable noun, collective noun. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is uncountable noun. Information is an uncountable noun because it cannot be counted directly and does not have a plural form. The next question is, identify the noun in the sentence. The book is on the table. Book, the, on. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is book. Book is a tangible object and serves as a noun in the sentence. It identifies a thing being referred to. Your next question. Which noun represents a place? Teacher, market, wisdom. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is market. Market is a specific location which makes it a noun representing a place. Your next question is, which of the following is a plural noun? B. Donkey, people. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is people. The word people is a proper plural noun because it refers to more than one person. Bee and donkey are not plural noun as they refer to a single animal. Your next question is, which of the following is a proper noun? Country, China, river. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is China. China is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific country. Your next question is, what type of noun is happiness? Concrete, abstract, common. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is abstract. Abstract nouns represents ideas, emotions, or qualities that cannot be touched. Happiness is a feeling and cannot be physically perceived. Your next question is, which of the following is not an uncountable noun? Music, fire, car. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is car. The noun car is not an uncountable noun because it can be counted. The next question is, how dash milk do we have left? Much, a, do. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is much. The word much is the correct answer because it is used to quantify uncountable nouns like milk. Your next question is, how dash keys are we taking? A lot, a few, many. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is many. Your next question is, can you give me dash information? A and some. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is some. The word some is the correct answer in this context as it signifies an unspecified amount of information which is an uncountable noun. Your next question is, there dash 15 dash in the classroom. Are students is students are student. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is are students. 15 means more than one, so you need the s ending like students. And also plural verb needed here. Your next question is, there dash a large dash in the distance. Is mountain are mountains. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is mountain. A means one, so you do not need the s ending and also singular verb needed here. Your next question is, which noun changes completely in its plural form? Regular noun, irregular noun, compound noun. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is irregular noun. Irregular noun change completely or significantly in their plural form, not following the standard s or es ending, such as man to men or mouse to mice. Your next question is, which word in the sentence is a preposition? The cat jumped over the fence. Cat jumped over. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is over. In the sentence, the cat jumped over the fence, the word over is a preposition. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun and other words in a sentence. Your next question, what kind of article is the? Definite, indefinite, definite, non. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is definite. The is a definite article because it is used to refer to a specific noun or nouns. Your next question is, what part of speech is the word beautiful in the sentence? She wore a beautiful dress. Verb, noun, adjective. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is adjective. In the sentence, she wore a beautiful dress. The word beautiful is an adjective. Adjective describes or modify nouns, provide providing more information about the noun's qualities, characteristics, or features. Thank you, friends. If you liked my session, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.